Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Here we are going to solve another problem of Codeforces. I hope all of you read this question. In this question, Valera wanted to prepare a Codeforces round. He has n correct solutions and he has m wrong solutions, and he wants to set a v seconds time limit in the problem. In this question, you have to focus on this condition: 2a is less than or equal to v. V is your time limit. V is your time limit, and these are the 5 conditions you have to focus mainly. V should be positive, all correct solution pass the system testing, at least one correct solution passes the system testing with some extra time, and all wrong solution do not pass the system testing. The third and fourth conditions are the main condition you have to focus now, and help Valera and find the most suitable time limit, else that time limit does not exist, means you have to print -1. Let us understand the problem. You have to given right, means I'm going to make the array of right solutions with the name of right of n and the wrong solution with wrong m. Let us understand the first test case. 3 n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 6. The right array is 4 5 2 and the wrong array is 8 9 6 10 7 11. With the condition number 4, all wrong solutions do not pass the system testing. What did you understand from this condition? Means your answer should be less than the minimum element of wrong array. Your answer should be less than the minimum element of, because the all wrong solution do not pass the system testing. This is the first condition. You can easily find out. And now focus on the third condition. At least one correct solution pass the system testing with some extra time, means multiple time. Means one solution should be passed, at least one. Means there is no maximum limit. Means you have to focus only at least one. Then you just simply find out the minimum element of right array. Then if you if you multiply by 2, this means 4. This is the less than or equal to right and maximum element of right array, then you can pass. Then this will pass the array, this will pass the system. Similarly, means for this question your answer is equal to, and the another thing is that your all correct solution pass the system testing, means your answer also equal to last maximum element of right array, because the last element of right array must be passed, and your answer should be less than with the minimum element of wrong array, right? And the third condition is at least one correct solution, and this will satisfy all the conditions. So then your answer is 5, because answer is maximum element of right array always, right? In the test case number 3, n is equal to 3, m is equal to 3, right? These are the same. Your right array is 3 12 15 and 7 8 9. Then first you have to find out with the fourth condition, all wrong solutions do not pass the system testing, means your answer is less than the minimum element of wrong array, means 7. First you simply find out this with the condition 4th, right? Then you check answer is equal to right element, maximum element of right array. That means answer should be less than 15. Answer is equal to 15, and these two conditions are contradicting, means your answer is equal to -1. In the third case, your n is equal to 3, m is equal to 1. Your answer is less than equal to 6, and your answer is equal to maximum element of right array 5. But if you see the third condition, at least one correct solution, if you multiply this by 2 with extra time, means extra time, this test case will pass with some extra time, minimum element. But here it is not possible, because answer, if you pass with extra time, this is your extra time is 6 seconds, but answer your less than 6. But now you can see these are contradicting. Third and fifth conditions are contradicting. Your answer print -1. Now let's go with the code. In the minimum time, I'm making with the variable minimum time is equal to minimum element of right array, maximum time is equal to maximum element of right array, limit is equal to minimum element of wrong array, and your answer is, just focus, your answer is maximum of 2 into minimum element into max element, the maximum of this. And agar your answer is less than limit, see out answer, otherwise else print -1. Let us go at the code. Let's see, you are taking integer n and m, right element, wrong array, sorry, right array and wrong array input, and you are going to find the minimum time. What is your minimum time? Minimum time is minimum element of right array, and maximum time is maximum element of wrong array, right? Then you are going to find with minimum time and maximum time with right element, and same as you are going to find with limit, minimum of limit. This is the way. I hope you know how to find out the minimum and maximum element of a array. If now your answer is maximum of this, if answer satisfies the value of limit, then your answer is this same, or you can write simply answer here also, here, else -1. Thank you everyone.